Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I am Umang Mamani and I do coding interview questions. Today we will see another famous problem of two-pointer playlist, that is foursome. Now this problem is a subtype of threesome problem that we have solved earlier. The description says, given an array nums of n integers, return an array of all the unique quadruplets a, b, c and d such that a, b, c and d is greater than or equal to 0 and less than n. They are distinct and a plus b plus c plus d should be equal to the given target. For example, if this is the nums array and the target is 0, the output will be the list of integers where the sum of all these four numbers is equal to the given target. Now our solution will be exactly the same that we have used in our threesome problem. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I recommend you to complete that video first and then continue with this. In this problem, the only difference will be in the initial for loop that we write, such that all our numbers a, b, c and d should be unique and must not contain any duplicates. So let us go through the code and understand it simultaneously. First, I will declare the answer variable above the method itself, that is list of integer equal to new array list. Then since the given array is not sorted, we will sort the array. So our array will look something like this after sorting. Now we will write our first for loop from I equals to 0 up to length minus 3. The reason it is minus 3 because we need to find four numbers. Now inside this for loop, we will check for the condition that I should not contain any duplicates. That is, if I is equal to 0 and I is equal to I minus 1, that is its previous number, we will simply continue. If this is not the case, then we will write another for loop that will start from I plus 1 position. It will go up to length minus 2 position. That is, if we are starting from 1, our next for loop j will start from 0 and will go up till this position, because in the end that will also contain three numbers. Now again for this j loop, we will check the condition if it contains any duplicate or not. That is, if j is greater than I plus 1 and it is equal to j minus 1 number, then also we will continue. Else we will call our search pair method, wherein we will pass the nums array, the given target and our I and j variable, and in the end we will simply return our answer. Now if you notice, the search pair method is exactly similar to what we used in threesome problem. Now let's see the working of our search pair method. So we are taking nums array, the given target, our first variable I and second variable j. In this method, we will initialize our left and right pointer. If you note, left pointer is starting at second plus 1 position because we make sure that we do not have any duplicates. So now we have four variables: first, second, left and right. We will write our while loop. While left is less than right, we will take the sum of the four variables first, second, left and right. We will check if it is equal to the given target. Then we have found the quadruplets and we will simply add it in the list. For that, I'll use answer.add arrays.asList and we will add all the four variables. Also, we will increment and decrement our left and right pointer respectively. Now, again we need to check if the left and right pointer do not contain any duplicate, similar to what we did in the for loop. So we will write while left is less than right and left is equal to left minus 1, that is its previous element, we will simply increment the left pointer. Similarly, we will do for the right pointer as well. If right is equal to right plus 1, then we will decrement the right pointer. This step will help us to avoid any duplicate quadruplets that we find. Now, once this if loop is completed, that means sum is not equal to the target. So either it will be greater or smaller. If it is smaller than the target, that means we need to increment the left pointer. Else we need to decrement our right pointer. We will close our while loop. Now, if you see, the search pair method was almost similar to what we did in our threesome. The only difference in this problem was in these for loop, that too to avoid any kind of duplicates. Now let us see the overall time complexity of this problem. The sorting of this array, it takes O of n log n, and this search pair method will take n cube. Reason being, we have two for loops, and for every j, you iterate the nums array from left to right and you find the quadruple. So O of n log n plus O of n cube, which is equivalent to n cube. And the space complexity of this algorithm will be O of n, which is required for sorting the array. Now let us run the code. It is accepted. Let us submit, and it's a success. So guys, I hope you understood the approach and the solution. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Also, like, share and subscribe this channel to help me solve more problems for you. Thank you.